Hello everyone, this is Shreyans Jain with my stock market outlook for 17th of April 20th. Let's understand what is the overall opinion. So overall opinion, Nifty is trading in a range of 8800 to 9200 and with a negative outlook. Nifty long positions to be built only after closure above 9200. So let's understand the today's action and what are the basis for our opinion. So Nifty closed with a gain of 67.5, which is 0.76%, supported by a volume of 71.9 crore shares. Also, it was also increase was also supported by mid cap, which was increased by which was uh, up by 2.34%. Small cap, which was up by 2.81%. DII were net buyers with 1321 crores. Advanced decline ratio of 2.8, which is very positive, and fall in VIX by 7.65%, which is again a positive indicator, as well as Dow futures at the time I am writing this report is up by 0.5%. So these are few of the factors which are positive and in support of Nifty's action today. Let's look at what are the other factors. FIIs were net sellers with 2920 crores. So this is the second consecutive day wherein FIIs were net sellers, and now for the month they are net sellers. Technical indicators were also negative. So looking into all these factors, the overall opinion is uh, negative right now, and it is requested to trade with caution, and Nifty is expected to trade between a range of 8800 to 9100. Let's understand the sectoral indexes. How did they perform? So Nifty Bank was up by 343, Nifty Auto was up by 61 points, Nifty Financials was up by 153, Nifty FMCG was down by 170.5 point after a long time. So like they have been we have been witnessing a positive movement in FMCG sector since long, and now today was the first day when it was closed in red, and Nifty IT again was down by 240 point. Pharma up by 161 point, Nifty Metal up by 26 point, and Nifty Realty up by 1 point. So let's understand the price action and other aspects in detail. For Nifty Bank, the price action is low, 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 high, which is a negative price action, as well as it is not the technical indicators are also negative. So no new positions are recommended unless close above 20,500. Nifty Auto, again we have noticed a low, 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 high price action, which is a negative price action, and no new positions are recommended unless close above 5600. Same for financials, no new positions unless close above 9900. And for FMCG we have witnessed a doji bar with a failure of 29,800 levels. So it is recommended to book profits in case you are holding any positions. Talking about Nifty IT, closed at 10-day moving average after a fall uh, from 5-day moving average, which was in uptrend. Now it moved to closed at 10-day moving average. So as of now, we are recommending it for an exit. Nifty Pharma closed at significant resistance with negative technical indicators. So although pharma has been rising since long, but now at this point in time, we recommend you to book profits on your positions based on your analysis. Nifty Metal and Nifty Reality, these are the two sectors which we have been mentioning that in last 2-3 days have been performing good, and now is the time which are there so showing some positive movement. But considering that overall momentum in the market is negative, so we recommend to hold on your position and to wait for making any new investment in Nifty Metal and Nifty Realty unless we get a clear uptrend signs from the overall market. So these were my opinion, and this was my reading of today's data from the our tradings, and hopefully you will find them useful. And thanks for watching, and have safe investing. Thank you.